The internet transformed the business world. Fintech startups like Paytm and Google transformed the financial industry. EdTech startups like Byju's and Vedantu transformed the education industry. E-com startups like Amazon and Flipkart transformed the commercial industry. But no one thought that it can transform a low margin industry like retail. Then, e-tail startups like Grofers and Big Basket came and transformed the retail industry as well. Grofers, which has now become one of the fastest growing startups in India, took only 10 days to expand to 10 cities. They have 3 million app downloads and a user base which is growing 4 times every month. In this video, I'll give you 11 lessons that you can learn from Gophers' digital marketing strategy to grow your business. Lesson number 1. Use Google search ads to attract potential customers. To grow your business, you have to sell more products every day, and to sell more products, you need more website visitors. Google, being a search engine, is a great platform to bring potential customers to your website. Businesses use Google search ads to target product related keywords. However, this is not a wise move in case of Grofers. People looking for the product might just want to know more about it. For instance, a person searching for women's Horlicks may want to learn more about its ingredients. Showing ads to this audience is a waste of money. Moreover, Grofers operating in a low margin industry should not use expensive ads like Google search ads to target a broad audience which consists of people who have no buying intent. To solve this issue, Grofers is targeting people who are searching for product price. For instance, look at the image below. When customers search for women's Horlicks price, they will see a Grofers ad. But when a customer searches for women's Horlicks, you will not see a Grofers ad. It's because Grofers is not targeting product keywords. Lesson number 2. Use Facebook ads to get more visitors. Just as you target people based on keywords using Google ads, you can also target people based on interest while using Facebook ads. But this is also not a wise move in case of Grofers because people who are interested in the product may not have the buying intent. So, Grofers use Facebook ads rarely. For instance, you can see this ad to target people during Holi. Lesson number 3. Retarget lost visitors with Facebook ads and Google display ads. After visiting the website, some people don't complete the purchase. These people must be retargeted using Facebook ads as you can see on your screen. You cannot see the product in this image because it's a dynamic ad. This ad shows the same products which people saw on the website. These ads also give attractive offers to motivate people to complete the purchase. Also, Grofers use Google display ads to attract lost visitors by giving a 40% discount on first order. These ads show up on different websites and looks like this. Lesson number 4. Optimize your website to rank high on Google. Apart from using Google ads and Facebook ads to get paid traffic, you can also use search engine optimization (SEO) to get organic traffic. You have to make your website Google friendly to get this free traffic. Grofers has managed to rank high in search results and got a lot of traffic for keywords like buy groceries online as you can see on your screen. Lesson number 5. Create an app to help regular customers. Having an app gives your customers an alternative way to buy your products. Apps are more user friendly and creates a better user experience compared to websites. Moreover, your app users are more loyal and buy frequently from you. And you can reach out to app users through notifications without paying a dime. So creating an app is a great way to get more orders. Lesson number 6. Promote your app with Facebook ads. Creating an app is not enough. You have to promote it as well. For this task, you have to again use Facebook ads like Grofers is doing in the image below. Notice that the call to action button on this ad says install now. When users click on this button, the ad takes them to Play Store or App Store. Facebook shows this ad to mobile users only, and it optimizes it to target people who are most likely to install the app. Lesson number 7. Do App Store optimization. App Store optimization is the younger brother of search engine optimization. It involves optimizing your app to rank high in Play Store or App Store search results. Grofers has optimized its app to rank high in search results for keywords like grocery online app. Because of these efforts, Grofers has 10 million app installs as of now. Lesson number 8. Continuously improve website and app. Just like retailers focus on improving the in-store experience, e-tailers like Grofers should focus on improving the website experience. To improve the website experience, Grofers use conversion optimization tools like Branch. Moreover, to improve their website, they have started a contest called Bug Bounty to award customers who points out bugs on their website. Similarly, to improve the user experience or user interface on the app, they are using 4 software development packages as shown in the image below. Because of these efforts, people are spending more time on their website and app. The average view duration on their website is 50% more than that of BigBasket. Also, people abandon their website less compared to BigBasket's website. Data shows that bounce rate on Grofers website is 4% less than that of BigBasket. Lesson number 9. Get more conversions by reducing resistance in customers' mind. Some people do not buy from you even if they are interested in your products and services. In that case, you have to give them a little nudge to reduce whatever is resisting them. Grofers has taken the following steps to do the same. Grofers give their customers a 40% discount on their first order. Customers get a free delivery on the order above a certain amount. Their customers can return or reschedule their order. Customers can pay after getting the delivery by opting for cash on delivery. Because of these efforts, 12% of their customers are transacting online for the first time. Lesson number 10. Create membership to retain customers and get better ROI. Retaining a customer is much cheaper than acquiring a new customer. So you have to make sure that existing customers keep using your service. To do this, Grofers came up with a membership program, Smart Bachat Club, which gives special discount and priority delivery to its members for a small fee. Check out the club price listed separately for all the products in this image. Through this membership, people become loyal customers of Grofers. Because of this program, Grofers is getting a higher customer lifetime value as compared to other companies. Lesson number 11. Upsell and cross-sell. To get better margins, Grofers have to make people buy more every time. In other words, they have to increase their average order value. To do this, Grofers use suggestion section on product page and cart page as shown in the image below. So these are the 11 lessons you can learn from Grofers digital marketing strategy. If you like this video, please check out my other videos on startup digital marketing strategies and subscribe to my channel TNL Digital Marketing to get more videos on marketing and business growth. Thank you for watching.